Hello everyone and welcome to this series of Real Mom Interviews by newmomlife.com. In this video, we'll get to know about Aman, who is a wonderful mother and a great human being. Serenity and calmness are her assets, and they truly reflect on her face. Aman is blessed with two lovely kids, Bani, who is 5.5 years old, and Sahib, who is 2 years old. At present, Aman is working as a senior business analyst in a reputed organization in Mohali, Punjab. In this video, Aman shares with us how she manages both her kids while being a working mom and how she gets to involve her kids in the household activities. Not only this, Aman also tells a secret how she keeps herself calm. So let's get to know about Aman. Hello Aman, how are you? Welcome to this series of Real Mom Interviews by newmomlife.com.
Hello, Gitika. How are you? And I hope
good.
everything is good at your end also.
Yes, I am good, and it's such a pleasure to have you in this series because I'm just all praises for you. You are such a nice and a loving person, Aman. You are an amazing person, literally. You are an amazing person.
Well, thank you so much. It's pleasures all mine. I think mom's community is, I think, the best community I can have joined. And you get so many tips and tricks with that. How to
absolutely,
your kids.
Absolutely, yes, absolutely.
It becomes a very life-saving community for me.
Absolutely, that's true. So Aman, before starting with the interview, I would like to mention that I will be recording this particular video. I'll be doing the video recording and uploading it on our YouTube channel and on our website that we manage. So are you fine with it?
Yeah, surely. I'll love to see other moms as well and share my some experiences.
All right, thank you so much. So shall we start with the interview?
Surely.
All right, so the first question for you is that you have such a busy schedule, but you are always very calm, you're always glowing, and you have such a great poise, you are so serene. What's the secret behind that? I would definitely love to know that first.
Well, that's how we have to maintain, I'll say, just to keep kids calm, because what I have felt, I think my experience with my baby was when she got a shot for vaccination. She was in pain and I didn't know how to calm her down. And sometimes I felt like helpless because it was paining. I don't know how to hold her or to, lay her down. So at that moment, I realized that they actually sense your feelings. If you are calm, they'll calm down very easily. Even if they're in pain or they're hungry or that.
Yes.
They are very good receivers of what you're feeling inside.
My God, yes. You give
so that sixth sense.
You give. I don't know how you think about all this. I'm all praises for you. I tell this literally again and again. You are such an amazing person, Aman. Very nice. So the next question.
I even
for
got
you.
counseling before giving birth to my first child, Bani Kaur. So all the counselings even mention these things that. Even if you tell the kids, sit down or stand up or do that, they will not listen to you. They will see how you do your work or they'll observe you actually.
Okay.
I think if we want to see them as a good kid, then we have to be a good kid as well.
Oh, okay. Yes. That's absolutely true. And it's a great take from you. And it's a great advice. And I would also try my best to implement it in myself for my kid also. Thank you so much. All right. So the next question for you is, how do you ensure family time, that all of you get at least some time together and do some kind of activity, How do you ensure that?
Well, I think initially during my, first 3 years of marriage, I was not planning for kids. But at that time, I had my time with family was mostly with food because we are very foodie by heart, I'll say. So the best time was in kitchen when preparing the dishes. My husband was also there. He's very supportive. He's very intuitive. Actually, has very ideas of foods to cook, and we have tried many cuisines as well, not just Punjabi or Indian styles, or we've tried Thai, maybe other things as
Okay.
well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the time I think we all joined in. Even when I had my kid, I think she related to that we join in maybe in at time of dinner every week, and on weekends we had our out time. It can be maybe a mall, it can be maybe a park, or
Okay.
just a walk.
Mm-hmm.
So it, the the only condition we all agree to is that when we are with kids, we are with them 100%.
100%. Absolutely.
Otherwise, it's no
Mhm.
fun, being
Yeah, it's of no use.
physically
It's of no
present with.
use. Absolutely.
So
Yes.
they know, they're very well observe it that if you're not
Mhm.
mentally there or emotionally there, they'll actually
Mhm.
not feel that kind of happiness or presence of yours. The physical presence is not they only want, they need their emotional as well. They someone they can play with, right? So बच्चों के साथ बच्चे बनना.
Very nice. All
It's
right.
a very good way to actually relax as well, because once I come back home from my maybe a work, so I actually do not have to go for thinking about my whole day. I just have my relaxation with my kids.
Okay. That's so beautiful. All right. So the third question for you is: do you ever get some me time despite of your such a busy schedule? And if you do, you get it?
Yes, yes, I do. I think before COVID, we even I used to go, for gym as well, because I could see that if I'm not taking care of my health, then it will, affect everything. Not just kids or family, even my work or myself. I didn't feel well and happy as well. It's not just that you're physically fit, but you have to maintain everything. I think the happiness is something we have to look for, and
Absolutely, yes.
everybody has stresses, everything, and I think the COVID time was something little stressful as well, because it was not planned or nobody was
Yes.
trained for that. So we settled up some time for us. For example, like I do my daily routine of part, and we do with kids, so they also learn that, and some routine with workout, maybe half an hour or maybe 15 minutes. So we just
that
start,
actually makes you happy.
I even did Zumba dance with my daughter. So that was very interesting as well. So I know all the steps she taught me, and I try to keep up.
And I think if you are happy, then only you can make others happy, then only your
Exactly,
kids will be
yes.
happy. Absolutely, yes. All
So
right.
that vibes actually resonate when I'm not well. My kids know before I know. I don't know, especially my daughters. So daughters are like the next mothers, I'll say.
Yes, they are truly a blessing.
So they take care of me like they are my mother. So they sense if I'm not well, they sense before I get to know, maybe a fever or something. So mama biscuit, mama you want something, mama water. So they pamper me. So
Even
it's
my
a great
daughter
blessing.
can easily sense this. If I am, some days we are a little sometimes low and we are not feeling good. My daughter can sense it really well, and she's just 2.5 years old right now, but she can sense it so well, and she always asks me, "Mama, ab theek ho? Mama, ab theek ho? Ab theek ho?" So that's a really
I
cute
think she
thing.
has that from her mama also. No? You are very caring as well. So I think that genes come from there also.
Chalo, thank you so much. All right. So the next question for you is, what's the easiest meal that you think is, it's easy to prepare for your kids, but it is nutritious as well, quick to make. What is that one meal, your go-to meal?
I'm actually very comfortable with soup. Not very traditional way of soup we have. It is more of like stew or veggies mashed up. So any seasonal vegetables, I used to mix them up. Peel it, cut it, and put it in the maybe cooker and some seasoning with salt or maybe little cumin or something like that. So it was very easy. I think my whole family started liking it in a different way, because they wanted some little pepper as well. And so yes, my both kids actually had a lot of soup. Not just soup, it's actually vegetables steamed up and then mashed in a fine way, which becomes like a puree. And it's that I think small kids who do not have teeth, and they are not good with biting right now. So it's very easy to give them all the vegetables in a one go.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
it tastes good also, because agar bachta tha, to my whole family was said, do we have leftover? Can we have little bite of that? So yes, they did like it. And I think even a few days before, I think they wanted why not have you make a soup this week? Can we have a little? They do ask.
That's so sweet of them.
Other
Also.
than that, I think snacks is they love makhane.
Roasted makhanas
So
are absolutely very good.
yeah. So I have roasted them in little ghee and haldi, and I put chaat masala on it, and they just love to munch on it.
Yes.
Even
And
I actually very much in muncher, actually, the muncher family.
And that's, I think, easiest to prepare also. You just have to just lightly roast them and they are good to go. I mean, everybody can consume it very well. Yes, they're so tasty.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
right. So desi ghee is also good for them, and
Yes.
it's a good way to give some ghee on that.
Absolutely.
They love it.
Yes, absolutely. Okay, so the next question for you is your elder daughter Bani must have started her schooling, but due to this pandemic, the classes have shifted online. So how do you ensure that she keeps on learning during this time?
So I think blessing in that disguise, I'll say, because COVID was not what everybody was expecting. She was meant to join that new school. Before that, she was in her kindergarten school.
All right.
So in this new school, she wanted to see her school, actually, new teachers and new friends. But she was also little, excited that she'll be using mama's laptop or papa's laptop. She's now a big girl. She felt that way, that okay, now I am a big girl and I have a responsibility to learn things. And she actually was so much into loving that she didn't keep the track of that it is Saturday and Sunday we do not have class. So she was all prepared and brushing on the Sundays as well, that mama class late ho raha hai, mama class chalo start kariye. So she was loving it so well that she was not even keeping track ki chutti kab hai. Thanks to I think even the teachers are very cooperative in that. They give sessions in a very intuitive way, that it's not just one way, that they're just it's not like viewing them, it's actually engaging them. So they do keep engaging. They even have sessions that Bani is teaching others how to make a rainbow with things. So everybody has a session that they have to teach in the class, or they have plays, they have different things, like for they had a chocolate play, they had their Republic Day celebration, special assemblies are there. So she's all packed up, I think I'll say. They started with little time, I think for 45 minutes and 1 hour. Then this expanded to 2 hours and 2.5 hour session. So they have little breaks in between, but they are all hooked up to the screen.
Okay. So the next question for you is, what is that one activity that you enjoy doing the most with your kids? Zumba dance?
It's very difficult to choose. We love to sit in play mostly, and one activity I'll say is one game, hide and seek. they just love it. I mean, it's more of running as well, and it's the thrill is there. So they are very much, loving that. And I think since their childhood, we did play that peekaboo and like that. So yes, that's the one game I think they can get engaged every day.
Everybody gets engaged in that. Yes, everybody gets engaged. Even my daughter, sits on the floor and just ऐसे करती है, मम्मा मुझे ढूंढो मैं कहाँ हूँ.
Exactly. So they feel that they are hidden, and yes, they do love it.
मुझे ढूंढो मैं कहाँ हूँ. And it's so funny and cute to see them do like this. Okay.
It's like reliving our childhood, actually.
Yes. It's completely your childhood revived, with your kids. It's so enjoyable. All right. So the next question for you is that how do you ensure that your kids get involved while celebrating the festivals? How do you make them involved in the celebration?
I'll take example of Diwali because that's one festival. My whole family was here. My sister-in-law, everyone was here. So Bani Kaur actually enjoyed painting, and she painted her diyas. And she had little small, I'll say a cracker, which is to throw it, and it's just burst like a little small
Angry Birds. Cracker.
Right, exactly. So Sahib Singh actually loved to drag it with his foot, so he was doing that way. And he loves the lights, and we actually got engaged, and everybody was doing some activity or other. So, like I asked Bani Kaur, let's light the candles and the diyas. Will you help me? And she's more, Mama, chalo start karo. It's night time now. Let's the candles are out now. Let's put some more, or let's add some oil in the diyas. She was totally engaged, and Sahib Singh, we were not keeping him to the lights and crackers, but he was enjoying the twinkling lights, and everybody was actually playing the crackers in the locality as well, and he was not scared. That was surprising to me as well.
Yes. So for such a small kid,
big crackers as well. And Bani Kaur actually said that no, we will not play crackers. My ma'am has said we will have a green Diwali.
Yes, green Diwali.
She decorated with flowers and made some decorations in her tray. And we have clicked many pictures and
very
selfies.
Nice.
They love that actually.
Very nice. I think that's the memories, right? Yeah, that the kids will enjoy also a lot in the later stages.
Exactly. They love to see their selfies and videos of their celebrations. And Mama kab aayega? Phir, even now we had some celebrations for Gurpurab, so she remembers that. That's how they remember their days also.
Okay. So the next question for you is that do your kids ever get involved in the household work?
Yes, actually, surprisingly, I'll say. Many of my family members feel that
you drag them,
ask them too much, right? So they actually, I think the same answer I'll say that they observe how we do. And since we were in COVID, it was like everybody was doing their work, so we distributed it because everybody has 24 hours, and we have to lot of work to do because I was working online. Absolutely. And my husband also taking care of his work as well. So we distributed. For example, Bani Kaur knows how to bring her clothes, even fold her clothes. Okay. And she knows how to take bath now. Everything. She's quite independent now. And Sahib Singh actually learned the same. He loves to dust, doing dusting, and if he doesn't get that dusting cloth, he'll just pick up his clothes and then start doing dusting.
Oh my God.
So they are very neat freak, I'll say. Even while eating, if anything is on his table, his high chair, he'll just clean it, then he'll take his next bite, otherwise no. So they're very neat freak, and yes, they know where to keep their dirty clothes, then where to put their toys back. So that's very surprising to me as well, that they gather it for. So I think thanks to her teachers as well. So Bani Kaur knows after every activity, you have to gather your things, be it toys or colors or books, everything.
Very nice, very nice. All right. So the next
Actually, I learned from them to maintain myself as well, organize my things. So they teach us every day.
Thank you so much for answering this. And the next question for you is, in what ways does your husband support you?
I think I'll answer in a other way. It's everything actually, and there are just couple of things he's not comfortable. Is like chapati banana is a very big task for him. He's good at in cooking maybe meals, sabji, dal. He's good at even other than Indian food. He's good at making other things as well. So sometimes when I get bored of my dishes, and I said, look, let's have something special. It can be maybe moongi wali dal, but a change is very welcomed every day. I think every now and then. So once even I'm getting late in office or I'm little unwell, so he knows that I can step in there. Okay. So we divided some tasks in COVID as well. Like kids love to take a bath, maybe love into playing them. So I asked him to let me gather the clothes for him, for the kids, and then you can take care of getting them washed up and cleaning them
and get tired.
We divide the task. So divide and conquer is the rule we have.
Yes,
when the things get good. Because 2 toddlers can actually drain a lot of energy.
Yes, managing 2 toddlers is a great task that you are doing right now, and still you are managing it so well, and you are working also. That's you are balancing your work life and your family life so well. Naman, that's really hats off.
It's a teamwork actually, because they team up like Tom and Jerry, that they cannot stay away from each other, but they cannot stay without fighting. So my mother-in-law, father-in-law actually have played a big role actually. They are taking care of them and saying that हमें तो अपने बच्चों को इतना आराम से संभालने का नहीं टाइम मिला था, but now we know we can take care of your kids, and it's a lovely way they are engaged. Dadu is the best friend because he takes him and my daughter to parks and walks. Dadi's the favorite because they make some yummy dishes and at their own demand, right? So they'll ask him, Mama, आज दादी जी का खाना मैं नीचे चले जाऊँ मैं खा लूँ. So it's like I'll say the great blessing is that I am actually having an extended family, and in COVID everybody was actually looking for that kind of help. So I have that blessing beforehand, and being in a very educated family, so my mother-in-law knows all these things, and she has also worked in her life. So she's always cooperating in a way that I didn't even ask her for few things, and she started helping me out in that, which is like a mother taking care.
Yes, absolutely. That's a great support.
I'm very thankful and grateful for that.
Yes. All right. So the last question for you will be, what's your parenting mantra to manage 2 kids and also to keep yourself so calm and poised?
I think it was not so easy as I'm actually maybe saying in a way. There are some days when you are really, want to go in your bed and sleep, but you have to struggle. But I think there is only one logic for everything. I think not just for kids parenting, but in life. If something is not in my control, I don't linger on, or start feeling bad or sad about that. I couldn't manage it. I couldn't give, enough time or something that, yes, as a mother, I do get that guilt that I'm not able to see that milestones, right? So, but yes, in a bigger picture, I see on my first kid, I was at home taking care of her till she was 2 years old. But now she doesn't remember anything. So I see that kids remember only the time spent. not the toys, not those fancy dresses they had, but yes, that time spent or some timeless memories they made. Maybe traveling is something they really like. So my daughter loves that, and I think I don't try to control things. Maybe at sometimes I see their tantrums, and I don't know how to do, actually discipline that. So I was struggling maybe in COVID. So yes, then I started, let's leave them in a way that they start not reacting in that way, that so they don't go in that tantrums. If we start reacting, say if they're crying for attention, I should not give attention. So it was not easy. It is hard for not just mother, I think all family members. Nobody want their kid to cry and have something, felt like that they are not loved or something. So I actually try not to control everything. As a mother or maybe as a perfectionist, I tried, but actually it's not good for kids. It's not good for family or myself as well. So जो अपने हाथ में नहीं है उस पे टेंशन ही लेनी. And I think go with the pace, see what they want. Be it not just kids, maybe your relationship or your family or work. So another tip was that don't bring your work home and don't take your home to work. So that's the only thing actually I learned so far. I'm still learning actually, and let's see how things go ahead, because mostly feel ये होता था कि you are very restricted to your parenthood, but it's just time. Then you feel free, and जब आप फ्री होना चाहते थे तब आपको लगता था कि यार फ्री हो जाएं थोड़ा बच्चों से, अभी है ना हमारा अपना मी टाइम मिल जाए. बट व्हेन दे किड्स ग्रो अप, वो आपकी गोदी में नहीं आएंगे. सो वो आपके जैसे मोस्टली मदर्स फील वेरी लो व्हेन द किड्स फीडिंग छोड़ते हैं. सो वो एक अटैचमेंट होती है ना. सो हमारा खुद का जैसे एक टाइम होता है बच्चों के साथ. बट जब बच्चा कहते हैं कि नहीं मैं अपना खेलने जा रही हूँ, सो हमें लगता है यार हमें छोड़ गए, है ना. सो
एब्सोल्युटली
दे ग्रो, फिर तो हमारी बात मतलब हमारी गोदी में क्या हमारे पास भी नहीं आते. यस, so that's little emotional thing as well, but that's how nature actually works. If we see birds or animals as well, so that's how whole parenthood actually is about. So once a parent is always a parent. It's not that you grow up. Abhi bhi my parents do pamper me like I'm a kid. I do tell them, but दो बच्चों की मम्मी हो यार, अभी तो थोड़ा छोड़ दो. So but नहीं, आप बच्चे ही रहोगे अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए. एंड सेम गोज विद माय किड्स. सो जितने मर्जी बड़े हो जाए, जहां मर्जी पहुंच जाए, कुछ भी बन जाए, चाहे प्रेसिडेंट भी बन जाए, मम्मा के लिए आप बच्चे ही रहोगे.
Thank you so much, Aman. Yeah.
I think I have learned from many mothers. Thankfully, I had a community in my last organization and the new organization as well. So they do share their tips and tricks. So काफी कुछ सीखने को दूसरों से मिलता है actually, कि ज्यादा चिंता नहीं करनी. Let them have their moment. So we have their time outs के जब गुस्सा आता है मेरे को भी, तो या पनिश नहीं करना. तो my kids know, like Bani Kaur knows that she'll go in the restroom and she'll say, "Mama, time out." So when we are not in good terms, so time out. So that I don't have to मैं गुस्से में कुछ गलत भी ना बोल जाऊँ बच्चे को. ये भी होता है, which I really don't want कि later on हमें कुछ को लगता है कि यार क्यों गलत बोला बच्चे को.
My God, thank you so much, Aman. That was such amazing and beautiful answers, and there's so much to learn from you. Thank you so much for accepting this invitation. Thank you so much.
The pleasure is all mine. I think I love to learn from many things of your community, and बहुत सारी अच्छी चीजें मिली हैं रिसेंटली. मैंने काफी रिपब्लिक डे के भी देखे थे, एंड you are actually doing a great job keeping
My God, thank you so much.
not just a community is strong, but mothers do feel isolated sometimes कि वो इतना